Hello everyone, now that I've showed you all the mathematical operators of master2, let's talk more about the Boolean operators. And in this episode, I'll show you the triple AND gate and the triple OR gate. First, let's create two new networks. Then go to the toolbox and under Boolean operators, select the AND gate triple input. Click and drag and do the same thing for the OR operator. And I want to keep both of these function blocks enabled, so I'll delete this contact. And now let's assign our variables. So for the AND gate, I'll do ANDs underline 1 and follow the same pattern. Do the same thing for the OR gate. Now assign the outputs. There we go. Let's log in to test our logic. Put the controller in run mode. Now, for the AND function block, if I enable one single variable, it won't enable its output. It will only enable its output when all three of these inputs are in the true state. So let's enable all of them. And there it is. The output is enabled. And for the OR function block, if I enable one single input, it will enable its output. And no matter which input is enabled, so for example, if I enable the second one, it will also enable its output. And that is how you use the triple input AND and OR gates in master2. And I see you on the next video.